These are the top 5 most beautiful fireworks in the world. I bet you will be amazed by the last one. Comment which one is your favorite. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. Howling Wolf Fireworks. This firework is so amazing. Next is PTSD Fireworks. It looks like a rocket launcher. Next is Gold Wave Fireworks. It looks like a star got exploded. Next is Jellyfish Fireworks. Wow, that was so surprising. Next is Brocade Crown Fireworks.